These past few weeks, I've been testing out the Ordro M5 Vlog Camera with its 3.5 flip screen, 3-axis gimbal, infrared mode to record in darkness, and crystal clear 5K video. It offers features not seen in other pocket cameras at a fraction of the cost. In this video, I'll be demonstrating some of these features and give you more insight into the Ordro M5. So if you're a content creator or thought about becoming one, this one's definitely worth checking out. Welcome back, guys and girls. Let's get right into it. The camera comes with a carrying pouch that's zippable. Inside there's a USB cable, a 3.5mm jack cable for your microphone, a wristband for the remote, and a carrying strap, and another USB cable to charge the camera. The user's manual, a micro SD that I have already installed, and the remote to take pictures and turn the record mode on and off. On the other side is the camera itself, so let's take it out so I can show you the features. This is a handheld camera with a screen that rotates horizontally. On the right is the power button, the record on and off button, and the zoom in, zoom out lever for the camera. On the other side is the auto exposure lock and the infrared on and off button. Just below is a rubber tab that opens, and you'll find the USB interface to charge the camera and the external mic 3.5 plug-in if you decide not to use the built-in mic. On the other side is the HDMI external screen connection and the SD memory card slot. Now let's turn it on to show you more features. When you rotate the screen horizontally, you'll see some menu control arrow buttons. Not only do they let you scroll through your settings, but they can also be used to move the camera up and down and left to right. And here I'll demonstrate the zoom in, zoom out lever. Touching the blue play button on the left of the screen allows you to play back your videos and photos. And on the right of the screen are your video and photo settings. Let's go through some. We'll talk about the video resolutions in a bit. This is the exposure compensation to adjust the exposure of the screen. The on and off date stamp for the video. The on and off pre-record mode for 5 seconds of pre-recording. Metering mode, so you can select the method of metering. We have it set to average. The white balance section to adjust your white balance on the video. WDR to turn on and off your wide dynamic range. And LDC to turn on and off your lens distortion correction. Recording resolutions start at 1080p, 60 frames per second, or 120 frames per second. Next, 2.7K at 30 frames per second or 60 frames per second. Next is 4K, 30 frames per second or 60 frames per second. And last, 5K at 30 frames per second. Here is the mode menu to select video or photo modes. There is a video mode, slow motion mode, loop record mode, and time-lapse mode for video. On the bottom, there's photo mode, self-timer mode, photo burst mode, and time-lapse photo mode. So real quick, I'll show you how the gimbal looks in action, then we'll take it outside. Moving it left to right, you can see how the camera remains stable despite the movement. But let's take it outside to see the camera in action. So really cool, you can see the levels of the mic as I talk. You can see right there. That's one cool thing. Notice the difference in saturation from the phone camera to the Ordro M5 as we test the gimbal stability running. Okay, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, running. Running, 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 stop. Not bad. Now let's show you the infrared mode walking into the outdoor restroom with the lights off. So we're pretty dark here, and here's the infrared. Crazy, right? Crazy how it's able to pick up. And let me turn it off now real quick, and we're back at darkness. Now here's the face tracking feature in the barbecue back shack. I noticed that if you move too quickly, it might not always follow you right away, but if you move slower, it has no problem following you. Perhaps future firmware updates will improve this feature. Now, I was really impressed with the vibrant colors this camera produced in video mode, but it really excelled in picture mode as well. Take for instance this next picture of a fire hydrant, where despite the contrast difference of the sky behind the fence, you can still make out the detail of each diamond shape of the hurricane fence. Or in this next picture of a sign, where you can see in detail the reflective patterns within the sign. Pretty impressive for a pocket camera. I spent about a week and a half trying out the camera in different scenarios. I like that it has a wide angle lens, something that you don't always see for even phone cameras at this price range. And the crazy thing is that it took about 2.5 hours to fully charge, and I've been shooting for over a week with it, and it still has over half its battery life. So it's a pretty long-lasting battery. Its portable design makes it easy to carry around, and I'll probably be using this as a travel camera or for B-roll or possibly shorts and reels as well. It's a great alternative to the DJI Pocket 3 camera at a fraction of its cost. I've already set up mine with a few accessories, which I'll link below, as well as the link for the Ordro M5 5K Pocket Camera. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. You'll see more of this camera usage in my future videos. Hope you all are doing well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Hope to see you again very, very soon.